Learn how to easily assemble Delta Children's canopy bed by following this step-by-step video. This video will work for any of Delta's toddler canopy beds. Carefully unwrap the box. Locate the hardware parts and the instructions. Neatly lay out all the large components. Confirm that all parts listed in the instruction manual are included before you begin. For some steps, you'll need your own Phillips head screwdriver. To begin assembly on the fabric mattress support, you'll need the fabric support, 2 male bars, 2 female bars, 3 crossbars, and 2 screws labeled DD. Step 1. Make sure the warning label on the mattress support is facing down. Then, slide 2 male bars through the fabric tunnels on either side of the mattress support. Step 2. Now, insert 1 crossbar through the fabric tunnel and into the holes on each one of the male bars. Twist one of the male bars to easily slide the crossbar in. Step 3. Next, slide 1 female bar through the fabric tunnel and connect it to the male bar. Please note, the hole at the end of the female bar will end up in the middle. Step 4. On top of the fabric support, insert 1 crossbar into the center holes in the male bars. Make sure the holes on the crossbar are facing up and align with the holes on the male bars. Twist one of the male bars to easily slide the crossbar in. Step 5. Slide the last crossbar through the fabric tunnel and into the hole on the female bar. Step 6. Now, slide the remaining female bar into the fabric tunnel and connect it to the male bar by rotating the female bar inward. Then, easily join the crossbar and the last female bar by twisting one of the female bars. Step 7. Lastly, attach the center crossbar to both male bars with 2 screws labeled DD. Tighten with your Phillips head screwdriver. To begin the assembly on the bed frame, you'll need the headboard, footboard, safety rails, long legs, short legs, center legs, headboard and footboard stickers, upper leg mounts, as well as 6 bolts labeled AA, 10 bolts labeled BB, and 12 nuts labeled CC. Before you construct the frame, apply the stickers to the headboard and footboard. The sticker for the headboard should be on the same side as the Delta label, and will end up facing the inside of the bed. Step 8. Start assembling the frame by sliding 1 upper leg mount onto each leg that will be attached to the headboard. Step 9. Then, slide 1 long leg onto the plastic plug on the headboard. Make sure the flat side of the long leg is facing the inside. Attach it with 1 bolt labeled AA. Do not tighten the bolt all the way at this time. Repeat for the other side. Step 10. Now, slide 1 upper leg mount onto each leg that will be attached to the footboard. Step 11. Then, slide 1 short leg onto the plastic plug on the footboard, again making sure the flat side of the leg is facing the inside. Attach it with 1 bolt labeled AA. Do not tighten the bolt all the way at this time. Repeat for the other side. Step 12. With the warning label facing up, insert the fabric mattress support into the bed frame, making sure the flat end of the frames are on the inside of the legs. Secure in each corner by placing 1 bolt labeled BB and 1 nut labeled CC into the pre-drilled holes in the frame. Tighten with your Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat for the other side. Step 13. Now, attach the center legs to the bed frame by snapping them into place. Secure with 1 nut labeled CC and 1 bolt labeled AA on each leg. Tighten with your Phillips head screwdriver. Repeat for the other side. Step 14 and 15. Snap the safety rails onto the long legs. Make sure the crescent hooks are facing out. Now, rotate the safety rails to the inside of the center legs. Repeat for the other side. Step 16. Lastly, align the holes in the safety rails with the holes in the center legs. Attach with one bolt labeled BB and one nut labeled CC on each side. Tighten with your Phillips head screwdriver. At this point, return to all the bolts you left loose in previous steps and make sure they are securely tightened. To begin the assembly on the canopy, you'll need the canopy, bottom leg mounts, 3-way plugs, the PVC center crossbar, PVC side support bars, metal crossbars, upper metal uprights, lower metal uprights, as well as 8 nuts labeled T and 8 bolts labeled U. Step 17. First connect the upper and lower upright poles. Step 18. Then slide the bottom leg mounts onto the 4 bed legs, making sure the closed end of the mounts are facing down. Step 19. Now insert the upright poles through the leg mounts on both the headboard and footboard, making sure they are seated securely in the lower leg mounts. Step 20. Secure all the leg mounts using one bolt labeled U and one nut labeled T. Tighten with your Phillips head screwdriver. Step 21. Next, insert all of the 3-way plastic plugs on top of the 4 upright poles. Then, install 2 metal crossbars to the 3-way plugs on each end. Be sure the pins in the plugs snap into the holes on the upright poles. Lastly, install the plastic side support bars to the 3-way plugs. Step 22. Insert each plastic side support bar through the loops stitched on either side of the canopy. Please note, the loops are located on the underside of the canopy. After all 4 side support bars are inserted through the 4 loops, insert the center crossbar through the 3 loops at the middle of the canopy. Then, connect the center crossbar to the plastic side support bars using the T connector at both ends. Step 23. To complete assembly of your toddler canopy bed, tie down the canopy to the 4 corners of the frame. Recheck all connections. Congratulations on assembling your toddler canopy bed from Delta Children.